Hello, diamonds. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Lexi. How are you today? I hope all of you stay happy and healthy just like me. And today I'm so surprised to see that each has a new MV, a new song. Like what? I miss him so much. So I was kind of shocked and I'm a bit late for this because it's released like 4 days ago. So I'm sorry if I'm late. So, okay, I'm gonna react to this MV and listen to the song for the first time ever. I'm so excited. Guys, let's do this. Oh my god, I miss Jay so much. Okay, so these are the actresses from 100 Thieves. I don't know that movie. Is that a movie or TV series? I'm not sure. Write down in the comment sections below. Let me know. Their faces look familiar too. I miss his voice. She's so pretty. So they're neighbors. Wait, wait. Jay's got some tattoos? Hold on. He's got tattoos. Not one tattoo. More than one, two, four, four. What? Is that real? I think it's real. I think. Okay. Oh, there's a lot to process. Okay, so Jay's got like 4 or 5 tattoos. I cannot count. Oh my god. Wow. Whoa. I love that song though. I love that song. So, are they just neighbors or best friends? Oh, his vocals. I love his vocals. Oh, Jay. He looks so good. Oh, miss him. Wait, hold up. Wait. So what's the connection? I mean, Jay with the girl, like they're doing here while they're running, they're doing the exact same thing. So they start to run, and what's the connection? How are they related? But I realize this is not K-pop, so I guess there would be no theories like in K-pop. This song is just so enjoyable. Car crash. There's more. So what is he doing? How is it related to those? Oh, okay, okay. Now I know. Okay, now I know how they're related. Okay, that song is just so enjoyable. It's really easy listening. I love the beat, I love the music, I love the song itself. It's happy, energetic, and I love Jay's vocals like usual. One more thing, I love his style right now. I think he's more like the Jay he wants to be right now. So I'm just gonna support him for what he is, what he wants to be. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.